Yeah, welcome to FS Global Limited, and today is 21st, and we're going straight to our daily market analysis. And what I want to talk about here is a little recap on what we've done and how it's playing out. Yesterday, we analyzed that this market was going to come back down, all right? And we did have it pull back into this FVG that I told you yesterday. And they thought I took it further down to this particular second FVG before pushing to the upside. That will tell you they have no plan of coming down here now. So we're actually expecting to see this market keep pushing to the upside now to take away this trend line liquidity that we'll have here. So we'll have this trend line liquidity. Now, this liquidity have to be swept up because this is liquidity level, and retail traders will be looking for to take sales on here. So when this market gets here, they'll either pull back into fair value gap on a lower time frame, then to the upside to break this particular level. So we'll be expecting this market to hit this particular level. Then from here, we'll further be expecting them to come down. So this is actually what we'll be expecting to see today. So let's go further. Then for Euro USD, of course, I told you guys that this was going to happen, and it happened. All right. And after this, I told us that this was going to happen, and we'll have it. So after this one, I told us yesterday that we'll have this pullback to this fair value gap here, and also possibly get mitigated by this other block, and we'll have it. So what are we looking at today? We're looking at this market pushing to the downside. Okay. So only think of selling this market, don't think of buying it, except you see a very serious push to the upside that breaks maybe news or something that breaks to the upside and have a fair value gap. You can change your bias a bit, but for now, with what we're seeing based on price action, our position is going to be to the downside. Then GBPUSD, the same thing. I told us yesterday that this market will go and do this, pull back into this fair value gap, and then come back to downside. So we've gotten this already. So we are coming down because the liquidity to the upside here has been taken out. So anytime you see liquidity taken out, market tends to reverse. So now we'll have head, we'll have shoulder, but we'd like them to break this neckline, all right, before it pull back, before going down. Now in a higher time frame, but for lower time frame, of course, like I told us yesterday, that is a good place to take a trade to sell. And now market is actually going down. So our direction is to continue with analysis back to the downside. The next one is gold. Gold is performing magic just as anticipated. As you can see, market traded back into this fair value gap. All right. After which, boom, markets are coming down. So this is what we anticipated, and that is what is actually playing out. So you continue moving with them. And one market will take away, take out this particular liquidity that we have here. So they will have to pull back into a fair value gap and continue push to the downside to make sure those who don't use stop losses will be automatically destroyed. Then also we'll have this. All right, like I say, we're going to go to downside from here. So market also did the amazing thing that we were expecting all the while, and that is trading into this fair value gap that we'll have in here in the lower time frame. So there's a little fair value gap, and they took away this liquidity that we have here. It's a very amazing manipulation to the upside, then to the downside. So your bias is going to be the downside. Why? Because here also we'll have liquidity resting here, and this liquidity need to be taken out because retail trader will be taking this in based on trend line. So they will be buying. They say double touch. Once it touch twice, it's confirmed. So they'll start buying. So guy, you look forward to begin to sell because you'll be selling against the retail traders. USDCAD. USDCAD did exactly as you anticipated. Like I said, we're looking forward to buy the market, but we'd like to see a push to downside. All right. So market came back and took away this liquidity, which also, like I told you guys, that we'll have this channels, all right, and these channels, market need to come back. If you check my analysis, you see that I say market need to come back, come and take away this analysis down. Yeah. So from here, it's where it's right for someone to buy actually. So as we can see here, also we'll have this level to watch. So what we're expecting to see here is we want to see this market come back to this level now and boom to the upside. grab it. So the next one, we'll have USDCHF. It played out exactly how it was analyzed. It came back, tapped into the fair value gap, and then gave us entry to the upside. So we want to buy. So those movements continue. We'll have to take away this liquidity that we have here. All right, this liquidity needs to be swept off. So that is what we'll do. So if you really want to master how to trade Forex professionally, join our academy and master how to trade. This trading is very, very easy and also high rewarding. Then the next one here, we'll have NZDUSD. NZDUSD, we anticipate that we would like to see a push to the backside and then back down. So they came back, remove this, tap into this fair value gap and come down. So what, as market has entered this fair value gap, it is a must that market will close below this level here. And if you watch here, market has tapped here before. So this place now become a kind of an IFC. There is an imbalance that needs to be closed. So this push down is what we're expecting. They will have Nasdaq. Nasdaq traded back into this place level here, just as we spotted out. All right. Then after which it start coming down. They actually got to this particular level, which is this particular order block. You know, if you are trading Nasdaq, you have to be very, very, very careful because it's highly volatile. Okay, so you will always ensure that you are taking your trade at a discounted rate. Look at this point here. You can imagine you grab this here and to down here, and this have to come down till this particular level here. So you don't need to think of buying this Nasdaq for any reason now. People looking for a sell, way to sell to downside. And this US30, the same thing as Nasdaq. So for US30, when this US30 get to this level, expect a pullback before it continue going to downside. And then also what I want to also re-emphasize here is every pair is not the same, so they trade differently. So if you really want to know the main bias, maybe in a very short time, like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hour bias of the market, you have to go to lower time frame to see what is actually happening there. Okay, so this is actually what you're expecting. You want to see this market to downside. So our bias should be to downside for now. Then USDJPY, I told you guys yesterday that this market will need to pull back into this fair value gap and in worst case scenario, come back to this particular level to go to the upside. They did pull back into this fair value gap, after which boom to the upside. All right. So what are we then expecting? Our push is still to the upside. When it pull back, all right, then look on the upside. Now we'll have this structure breaking up to the here. So we'll have this level now to watch. So market, if it comes back to this level too, you can also take to the upside. So that is what we are still expecting on this pair. So this pair have no plan of reversal for now. So it will be grievous for someone to sit down and keep waiting for this thing. So you have to wait because this pair has not really, it has not really what I'm saying, it has not really shown any sign that they are ready to come down. So your bias will only be on the buy, not on the sell. The next one, US, I think GBPUSD, whatever, GJ. Now, GJ, I told us something. I said, this market needs to go to the upside first before coming down. Now, we drew this, our market has not taken at this level. So we're still going to go to the upside. And so our bias is still to the upside. Then once they've taken this out from the upside, we start looking to come to the downside. As you can see, market gives you what you want to do. You know what you want to see in the market before you take a trade. So don't just watch and take a trade until you have seen that market has given you what you really want to see. And if you watch here, you see that we'll have this already booting. We'll have this booting. All right, trend line liquidity. So if they won't come down here, they'll have to pull back and break it. But before then, I want to see them show us sign that they really want to come down by coming up to take away this liquidity, this buy stop liquidity here. After they are done, then start looking for them coming down. So that is what I want to see on this pair. So this is what we've done recording for today analysis. All right. So guys, today is weekend. Be careful. Don't overtrade. Just keep your trade simple. All right. And know that Forex rewards. All you need to do is to master how to trade professionally. So thank you very much, and you'll have a perfect trading day.